The ICT activity is designed to help understand a process that plants use. What is the outcome of this process? Photosynthesis is the biological process where chlorophyll-containing plants capture solar energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, which is chemical energy. This process is the fundamental source of energy for almost all life forms on Earth and maintains atmospheric oxygen levels. What are the sharp-pointed structures formed by modified leaves in some plants called? Spines are modified leaves or stipules that reduce water loss through transpiration and protect the plant from herbivorous animals. Thorns are similar structures but are technically modified stems, though both serve as defensive adaptations in arid environments. What was placed inside the bell jar along with the mint plant? Joseph Priestley used a burning candle to show that it damaged the air, which was then restored by the mint plant. This experiment was crucial in discovering the role of plants in oxygen production. A sealed jar was the container used for the experiment, not an object placed inside it. While plants need water, the specific component used to demonstrate air quality changes in this classic experiment was the candle. The bell jar was sealed to prevent outside air from entering, proving the plant's internal effect on the atmosphere. How do tendrils help a plant climb? Tendrils are specialized thread-like structures that exhibit thigmotropism, allowing them to coil around external supports for stability. This adaptation helps weak-stemmed plants like peas reach sunlight by climbing upwards. Larger leaves help in photosynthesis but do not provide the physical support needed for climbing. Longer stems without support would lead to the plant trailing on the ground rather than climbing. While some plants use adhesive pads, tendrils specifically function through the mechanical action of coiling. What is the role of gibberella in plants? Gibberellins, derived from the fungus Gibberella fujikuroi, are plant hormones that stimulate cell elongation and increase the length of internodes. They are crucial for processes like bolting in rosette plants and breaking seed dormancy. Abscisic acid is the primary hormone responsible for inhibiting growth and inducing dormancy. Cytokinins are the hormones typically associated with coconut milk and promoting cell division. Ethylene and abscisic acid are the main hormones that cause abscission of leaves and fruits. Which topic related to plants is a listed learning objective? Understanding the morphology and physiology of plants is a fundamental objective in primary and secondary science education. This includes identifying structures like roots, stems, and leaves and their specific roles in survival. What term is used to describe a plant that grows in water? Aquatic plants, also known as hydrophytes, are specifically adapted to live in freshwater or saltwater environments. They possess specialized tissues like parenchyma to facilitate gas exchange and buoyancy in water. Ephemeral plants are short-lived plants that complete their life cycle quickly, usually in response to brief periods of rainfall in arid regions. Aerial plants, or epiphytes, grow on other plants or structures for physical support rather than being submerged in water. Terrestrial plants are those that grow on land and derive their nutrients and water from the soil. What is xylem in a plant? Xylem is a specialized vascular tissue in plants responsible for the conduction of water and dissolved minerals from the roots to the rest of the plant. It also provides structural support to the plant due to the presence of lignified cell walls in tracheids and vessels. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.